Oh, that's terrifying. Hey, what's up, guys? We are here in good old Lockhart, Texas, and apparently there's some old silos. Sounds like fun, doesn't it? That's where the swamp thing goes. That's where all the bad children go. Audrey, if you're bad, you're going in there. I'm always bad. Alright, so, oh man. Can you make it there? Shit. Make it through that hole. Damn power line's in the way. How's this soup? It's a great floor. Oh. Wires. Oh, freaking stupid. Yeah. Oh yeah. You can make that. Oh yeah, sure. No? Coming in from what angle? Any angle. Up top. Maybe. Bits over here. Oh yeah, look at that. Whenever I need to get up to the top, I just, climb the rope. When I get stuck. Do you have tetanus?
Yeah, no? Like no one just looks down.
Oh.
You ever fell?
Yeah, I know, right? It's okay. So you got that letter right there. Go on up. Way up. Oh yeah. So I mean, sure, it's legit. We could easily get stuck. The bird's like, a bird alive?
I don't want that thing.
How do you know?
Look at his face, a zombie bird.
Zombie bird. Definitely not.
No, don't call him.
Say I make you nervous, a tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster, a reckoning, you wonder how I got this way. You think I'm someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame. Oh, some things never change, You think I would look pretty on your arm once you cover up my bruises and battle scars, but it always ends the same. Can't bear the things I've had to face, got you crying on your knees in pain. Oh, some things never change. Oh, you'll break your back to make me feel again. I stopped asking for forgiveness, cause you should know only fools tread where the angels fear to go, but you keep trying to get too close. Save myself by turning into stone, so save your judgment cause you just don't know.
Oh, that's terrifying. Even though I wasn't really that close to it. Oh, was that your first try? Yeah, that was the first time I got anywhere close to something that would destroy my claw. Woo.
Swear I didn't mean to make them break. But they're so delicate and so mundane, and they keep coming like a moth to a flame. Oh, some things never change.